Good morning everyone. I hope you fit and healthy. So let's continue the chapter number 1, that is computer and electronic device. Now the fourth topic of this chapter, that is advantages of computer. The first advantage is speed. So a computer works very fast, so it can process a large amount of data very quickly. Second is reliability and accuracy. So computer is reliable. Reliable means faithful or performing well. So computer is reliable and accurate. Accurate means never make any mistake. So computer never make any mistake by itself. If a user give the wrong instruction, wrong data to the computer, in that case only computer make a mistake. Otherwise computer is always reliable and accurate. Third is storage capacity. The computer is able to store large amount of data for future use. That means once you have to save the data in the computer, so in future any time you can open the data, open the information. Next is work whole day. That means computer can work 24 hours, that is full day and full night. Computer can do the work without asking for any tea break and rest. That means it never gets tired. Automation. Automation means automatically. A computer is capable to performing many tasks automatically. That means once to give the instruction to the computer, afterward they will do each and every work automatically. Last is electronic presentation. That is computer help us to present your idea to others electronically using the presentation software like this video. So these are some advantages of computer. Last topic of this chapter is disadvantages of computer. So number 1 disadvantage of computer is health issues. The improper and prolonged use of computer can result in many health issues. That is long time we sit, long time we do the work. In that case we will get some health issues. Second is computer and cyber crime. Computer or cyber crime. Some people use the computer for negative activities. They can steal information, data from your computer and misuse them. Many times can be committed on internet, such as identity theft, information, fraud cases. So some people use the computer for negative activities. Third is wastage of time and energy. Young generation is now spending more time in playing games and chatting with friends. So it is a bad for both studies and their health. And loss of energy, when you use the computer for long time, after some time you feel tired. Now the fourth is virus attack. A virus can affect your computer without your knowledge and can alter the working of the computer. That means virus will damage your computer, damage the hard disk of the computer. Last is impact on environment. A computer is an electronic machine, and disposing of its damaged electronic parts pollutes the environment. That means there are so many parts attached with the computer. Whenever the one part is damaged, that part will pollute the environment. So these are some disadvantages of computer: health issue, computer cybercrime, waste of time and energy, virus attack, and impact on environment. But there are some advantages also, like speed, reliability, accuracy, storage capacity, work whole day, automation, electronic presentation, and also make our work easy. Now here are some difficult words like tired, that is need of sleep or rest, reliability, performing well all time and faithfulness, accuracy, correctness, automation, operate automatically, cyber computer crime, that is criminal activity that involves a computer, computer virus, that is corrupting the system, destroying data. So student, this is all about your chapter number 1. So please read the full chapter and try to understand the things. I hope you gained something and try to solve the book exercise. So the book exercise and question answer of this chapter I will upload very soon, or I will send in WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group. Thank you.